Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will show how to plot tree maps in R using ggplot2. Tree map is a kind of figure that displays the distribution of a categorical variable using rectangles, and the area of the rectangles are proportional to its variables counts. It also can be used to display hierarchical data using nested figures in tree maps. And in R, we use the package ggplot2 combined with treemapify package. So this is a typical tree map. You can see Volkswagen and Dodge, Toyota, three largest counts with respect to their area of this rectangle. And this area has mostly small counts values. Next, we will show how to do this in RStudio. So first we have to load library ggplot2 and dplyr because we want to use the data manipulation using dplyr, and you have to load treemapify function also, but you have to install this library first. Next, we create a data frame called plot data. Actually, this is just the counts value for the variable manufacturer from MPG data frame. So we just use MPG pipeline passed to the count function from dplyr, then inside using the variable manufacturer. So we just take a look at this data frame. It's very simple. It is the manufacturer column, then with the count number n. Then we can plot this tree map of manufacturer using ggplot, then plot the data. This is the data frame we have just created, and inside is the AES. Here we use the field with the manufacturer, because the manufacturer is a variable from plot data, right? And area is n, and the label is a manufacturer also. Then we plus a GUM tree map function. This function from treemapify function package, and we add GUM tree map text also, then with a theme. So this is the same tree map we have seen in the PowerPoint file. Next, we can do one step further to plot a hierarchical or say subgroup tree map. So first we create a data frame called plot data, and using data frame MPG passed to the count function. This time there are two variables for counting criteria, so manufacturer and DRV. So we see this data frame now, manufacturer column and DRV column and n column. So n is the count and DRV also categorical variable. So we can create tree map for subgroup with respect to the DRV value. So ggplot, plot data, AES, same as before, but we add a line called subgroup DRV. Next, tree map, same as before, and we have another function called treemap subgroup border and subgroup text also. We set some parameter for the color and the size. Then with the treemap text, same as before. Then with the legend, theme. So this is a grouped or hierarchical treemap because the RV variable has 3 values, 4, R, and F. So for each group, there is a text representing the subgroup for the DRV. Then inside each subgroup area, there is a treemap right? This is also a treemap. This is also a treemap. And the rectangle area represents the counts. So from the largest to the smallest counts. The largest Dodge and the smallest Nissan. And you can see our subgroup has only 3 manufactured: Ford, Chevrolet, and Lincoln. Thanks for watching.